Tip number 1, establish brand awareness and authority. Here at WIT, all of our pay-per-click campaigns that we run, 99% of the time, we're running a branding campaign with our pay-per-click. This is a really cool stat. 1/3 of people click on branded ads. So if somebody's doing a branded search for you, about 33% of those people are clicking on that ad because they know what they're looking for and they want immediate service from you. So that's why we do it. We want to make sure that you're showing up in the paid section for your brand name. We want to make sure that you're showing up in the maps and organic section as well. And having full brand presence on that first page of Google is amazing. It gives a lot of people trust in your brand that you're there on the first page and they're able to find you quickly. Number 2, create a lasting brand impression. So what we mean by that is being consistent across Google. So the other big thing that we're talking about here is display ads as well. Everybody's on the internet, everybody uses Google. Running display ads across the Google display network is basically like having a billboard now. Clicks are relatively inexpensive and it also keeps your brand top of mind. The last thing is highly curated user experience. We're able to tailor our ad copy to branded campaigns. We're also able to tailor our landing pages. Just having that curated experience for past customers is something that we're able to control a little bit more running those branded campaigns. And again, it creates a lot of trust. If you're more interested in learning about branding and what your company needs to do, reach out to us in the comments below. We're here to help.